Hi, my name is Yogita, and on the occasion of Independence Day, I'm here to make you all aware about the importance of this special day. Independence Day is celebrated annually on 15th August as a national holiday in India, commemorating the nation's independence from the United Kingdom on 15th August 1947, the day when the provisions of the 1947 Indian Independence Act, which transferred legislative sovereignty to the Indian Constituent Assembly. Independence coincided with the partition of India, in which British India was divided along religious lines into the dominions of India and Pakistan. The partition was accompanied by violent riots and mass casualties, and the displacement of nearly 15 million people due to religious violence. On 15 August 1947, the first Prime Minister of India, Jawaharlal Nehru, raised the Indian national flag above the Lahori Gate of the Red Fort in Delhi. On each subsequent Independence Day, the incumbent Prime Minister customarily raises the flag and gives an address to the nation. The entire event is broadcast by Doordarshan, India's national broadcaster. Independence Day is observed throughout India with flag hoisting ceremonies, parades, and cultural events. It is a national holiday. Flag hoisting ceremonies and cultural programs take place in governmental and non-governmental institutions throughout the country. Schools and colleges conduct flag hoisting ceremonies and various cultural events. Governmental and non-governmental institutions decorate their premises with paper, balloon decorations with hangings of freedom fighter portraits on their walls, and major government buildings are often adorned with strings of light. National flags of different sizes are used abundantly to symbolize allegiance to the country. Citizens adorn their clothing, wristbands, scarves, household accessories with replicas of the tricolor. Over a period of time, the celebration has changed emphasis from nationalism to a broader celebration of all things in India. Wishing you all a very happy Independence Day. Thank you.